In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user account in Google Workspace. Whether you're setting up your team for the first time or just adding a new member to your existing setup, it's important to know how to efficiently create user accounts. This ensures smooth operations and that everyone can access the tools they need. Let's begin on your Google Workspace admin dashboard. This is essentially your command center for managing users, services, and settings. From this dashboard, you're going to click on Directory. The directory is where all the magic happens. It houses all the information about users in your organization. Once there, you'll want to select Users. This section will display a list of current users within your organization, providing at a glance who is already set up and active in Google Workspace. To add a new user, locate and click on the Add New User button. This is usually a prominent button that stands out on the Users page, inviting you to enhance your team by bringing new members on board. Moving forward, you need to enter the new user's first name, last name, and email address. It's crucial to ensure accuracy here, as this information will be used for login credentials and internal identification within the workspace. Be mindful of correct spelling and ensure that the email address you enter is available and properly formatted, as this prevents any hiccups during the setup process. Once you've accurately filled in the required details, it's time to hit Continue. This might seem like a simple click, but this button confirms the information you've provided and begins the process of generating the account. While you may think you're done, it's a good practice to review the information you've entered just to be sure everything is correct. Double-checking at this stage can save you a lot of time later, avoiding the need to edit or correct the user details after the account has been created. After hitting Continue and confirming the creation of the new user, Google Workspace will handle the rest, setting up the account within the system. You'll typically see a confirmation that your account has been created successfully. At this point, the new user will have their own profile in your organization's Google Workspace setup, and they can start accessing the tools and features available to them. And there you have it, a seamlessly created user account in Google Workspace. Setting up these accounts effectively helps keep your organization running efficiently, allowing team members to thrive with the vast array of productivity tools Google Workspace has to offer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials to get the most out of your Google Workspace environment.